Okay, I'm gonna do another bike check. So I just got this Baron Lowracer. I took it on my first ride after making some adjustments to it. It's a recumbent. It's got dual disc brakes, 20-inch front wheel. It's got a 26-inch rear wheel. They're both 1.5 inches wide tire. It's got a Shimano Dior 9-speed triple crank. Shimano Ultegra front derailleur. Shimano Dior, they're like a mountain bike shifter almost. It's got like these little pistol things that you push forward and push back. And then these are the brakes, and they have adjustment for lever position. I went ahead and just tossed my element bolt onto the bike. Has a Dior 9-speed rear derailleur, disc brake on the back. Just has like a molded plastic seat. Sits super low to the ground. And I took it out for a ride. I was expecting it to be faster than my road bike. I have a pretty nice time trial bike, a Cervelo P4, and the Baron I don't think is faster. Oh man. So I bought it thinking maybe it would be faster than my time trial bike, but I think I'm gonna sell it. It looks like I may be getting a Bachetta instead, so wish me luck.